Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, untuk subtopik 3.3 and 3.4, here is the summary of these two subtopic. Okay, for the 3.3 trigonometric functions, you have to identify three types of function here. The first one, the blue one, refer to graph of sine. The green one refer to graph of cos. And the red one refer to graph of tangent that not have a maxima or minima value here. Okay. The second one is 3.4 trigonometric equation. So inside this subtopic, you can identify we have 4 quadrant here. And inside quadrant 1 will be use a basic angle or reference angle. The second one we will use 180 degree minus basic angle. In quadrant 3, we'll use 180 degree plus basic angle, and the last one, quadrant 4, we use 360 degree minus basic angle. Okay, now the another one that you have to know is this one. Okay, inside this first quadrant, all positive for the ratio of sine, tangent and cos. So here will be for the sine, tangent and cos, all will be positive. Okay, for the second quadrant is only positive for sine. The third quadrant positive only for tangent, and fourth quadrant positive for cos. Okay, here is the step of sketching graph. The first step, we have to identify the shape of graph. So it will be a graph of sine, cos or tangent. The second one, we identify range of angle. So it should be maybe can 0 degree until 360 degree, or it could be 0 degree until 180 degree, or we can also use in 0 until 2 pi or 0 until pi. And the third step, identify amplitude and number of cycle of graph. So if for example here you have y equal 2 sin x, that means you have the amplitude of 2, and this one will be -2. Okay, for the cycle, for the example, if you have y equal cos 3x, so it should be 3 shape of graph of cos inside your graph, 3 cycle of it. Okay, the last one, the step 4, we plot the points. So it will be referred to the table that you have in the value, the given value, and we have draw lines smoothly. So for the example, we can look this one, y equal 4 sin 2x. So identify shape. So now shape will be referred to graph of sine. So you will have the S shape. Okay. The second one, range. So refer to this one given to you 0 until 2 pi. Identify amplitude. So amplitude here refer to this number 4. So it will be here 4. So in this graph also 4 here, and the minima -4. Okay, the number of cycle of graph is will be the shape of sine graph will be repeat 2 times, And the last one, we plot all points and draw the lines mostly lightly this one. Okay, so we complete drawing your graph of y equal 4 sin 2x. Okay, you may also refer to this web, desmos.com, if you want to get the idea how do you want to sketch the graph. So you may explore it by yourself later. Okay, inside this slide, I will show you how do you want to find solution of this equation. So the most important is you remember this cosec theta. Cosec theta, we can simplify it to be C S C theta. Okay, now we get the idea. S, that means is 1 over sin theta. Okay, next step, we simplify it and put it as a subject of formula here. We'll have this one. And you may put in decimal point, sorry, negative. Okay, so here we have the negative value of sign. So this part you must remember this one. Okay, positive for the sign is at quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. But right now is given to you negative. So we have to refer to this quadrant, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. And inside quadrant 3, we will use 180 degree plus theta. And this one will be 360 degree minus theta. So, now we want to find the value of theta. Okay, in this part, the most important is you have to use the value of it. Ignore the symbol of negative here. So we use calculator. It will be 30 degree. Okay, so right now your answer should be, this one we'll call it as basic angle. So you will have, therefore your theta is 180 degree plus 30 degree. And then 360 degree minus 30 degree. And your last answer will be 210 degree and 330 degree. And that's it for this tutorial 3.4 question 1.